how to invite friends to a group order in Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're planning a meal with friends or co-worker, Uber Eats make it simple with group orders. So here in this video, I'll show you exactly how to invite your friends to join your group order in just few taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply scroll down or search for the restaurant that you want the order from. And now here, once you're inside the restaurant page, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on group order, and here on the next page, just tap on invite guest. And you will get a unique invite link and QR. So here you can share it via WhatsApp, text messages, email, or however you prefer. And once they open the link, your friends can browse the menu and add their own items to the cart, and all under the one group order. And here when everyone is done, you can just tap on the checkout button, and here you can simply tap on continue to checkout. And now here on the next page, you need to fill up your order and just hit on place order. Easy as that. And that's it. That's how you can invite your friends to a group order in Uber Eats and make mealtime easier together. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.